All right, guys, we're out in Quartzsite. I have Rich and Nikki with me. Where are you guys from?
We retired out of Virginia Beach area and we're Texas residents now. We're full-time in the RV.
What made you go into that Super C model? What was it about it?
I like off-grid camping, being able to get off the road. So, you know, and I don't want to do anything crazy. I understand it's a 22,000 pound RV, but I wanted to be able to get off into some more inaccessible places. I mean, the magnitude is great. The four-wheel drive system is great, but it's too low. The tires that came on it are highway tires. So like I actually had to use four-wheel drive because I was in grass and the back tire started to spin. So I wanted more off-road performance, but we also want to improve the ride going down the highway because it does, you know, roll and rock a lot. So we're looking to improve the, you know, overall ride quality and then the off-road performance.
All right, so we're gonna go for a test ride. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna show them all about what the Weldtec Designs suspension, the Recon XL, is all about. Let's just go drive, you know, let's have some fun.
All right. Oh God, I can already feel it in the steering.
We haven't even gone 10 feet. Let's come on, I can't fix everything that quick. Yeah, no, go. Go. Yeah.
It's a completely different feeling. I don't hear anything creaking. Every time we go over a bump, you know, we get something creaking or crunching back there.
And that's the goal too, is like long-term preservation of the coach. If the suspension can do its job really well, then your coach isn't getting beat up. Just go, no, don't slow down. Go right. No, don't slow down. Don't slow down.
Oh God.
Go. And then just go right back onto the road. Don't even slow, yeah.
He wouldn't have done that the other one.
No, hell no. Oh my God.
Like if I'm not paying attention or something. Okay.
Night and day. There is no comparison what this is doing to what ours does.
Yeah, see. Yeah, we wouldn't speed up in this corner.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even go this close to this fast in this corner normally.
Yeah, you don't realize how bad this road is.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I mean, this is perfect for this.
Yeah, I mean, it still drives straight. And everything back there is not falling apart.
I mean, yeah, you're doing 50.
Yeah, we would never do 50 on this. Well, I like her.
This road is horrible.
Yeah.
All right, so Nikki, what do you think on this road? So guys, I really want you to see how bad this road is. I mean, this hasn't been maintained in 100 years. This is the original road, I feel like, the highway, but this road is so bad. I mean, it's insane.
I'm honest, I'm amazed by the difference between driving ours versus driving this. I don't want to drive mine again. Airbags was my plan, and then I started thinking about liquid spring. And I've never driven liquid spring, but this is amazing. I don't even care about liquid spring now.
What do you think, Red?
It's amazing. I mean, he told me to do something that scared me, and I actually had to do a double take before I did it. It's amazing. If you've got an Omni or a Magnitude,
anything on the F-Series platform, you got a Renegade, you got a Thor, you got a Jayco, you got a Grand Design. It doesn't matter what it is, I can do the same thing to it.
I loved it. I was skeptical. I thought it was gonna be way too high and I'd feel like it was gonna tip over. And man, that thing is tight and it's quiet in the back. I'm excited to drive more.
Yes, there it is, guys. That's the whole thing right there. Drive more, driven further. That's what we're trying to do at Weldtec Designs, allow you to be driven further in your motorhome. So that was fun. So now I guess we're gonna see them back in Cali.
yeah.
Did you see that? Did you see that? It was
that
like,
thing is like, whoa.
Wow. You have a four-wheel drive motorhome? I mean, we did specially, if you see the concrete here, we specially made this high-pitched, you know, to make it so it was difficult.
Yeah,
this
it's scripted, right?
Yeah,
everything's scripted. But welcome to San Diego.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Beautiful,
Really
beautiful.
excited.
You can see the size of the springs in there. Significantly larger, more arc in the spring versus your flat spring here.
Wow, guys. Look at this thing, all finished. Bumpers, front and rear. What do you honestly think?
It drives better than it did, for sure.
It's amazing. The suspension is great. It handles fantastic. You know, bumps going up and down, things like that. Nothing but great things to say about it so far. And we drove it interstate. We drove it back roads, up and down to the mountains.
I drove it off the road and back on.
Oh,
and it
yeah.
transitioned
Like in the test drive video.
Yeah. And it didn't give me that whiplash neck situation.
The top heavy is gone.
Yeah.
Oh,
the popping noise. That popping noise is gone.
It looks really awesome. I love the tires on it.
Yes.
Now, Where are you guys going?
Vegas for a couple weeks in a
For
campground.
my girl's birthday party.
And
then we're gonna hit Utah.
Yeah, and then we're
just start
gonna, it's
hitting
gonna
the
be several months of just boondock
Okay.
off-road.
That is one big motorhome. Woo!
big step.
Yep. Safe travels. Wow, that's badass.